In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and add a custom logo in Salesforce. If you're just getting started with Salesforce or looking to personalize your organization's environment, placing your custom logo is a simple yet effective way to reflect your brand identity. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce setup. You can do this by finding the gear icon located at the top right corner of the interface. Once you spot it, give it a click. This setup area is your control center in Salesforce, allowing you to configure a variety of settings. Now that you're in the setup section, look for the quick find box. This is the search bar that helps speed up your navigation. In this box, type themes and branding and you'll notice it pop up as an option. Click on it to proceed. This is the area where you manage the visual aspects of your Salesforce instance and choose to apply branding like your custom logo. Next, you'll be looking at a list of themes available to you. These themes determine the look and feel of your Salesforce interface. Choose the theme for which you want to update the logo. Beside it, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow on the right-hand side. Click on this arrow and select Edit. Editing the theme lets you tweak various styling options, including the logo. In the editing mode, draw your attention to the section labeled Brand Image under the branding header. This is where you'll upload your logo. Click on this part to open the file selection dialog. From your computer, choose the logo file you wish to upload. Make sure it's the right file format and size for optimal display. Once selected, you have some control over how it looks. You can drag and resize the image to adjust how it will appear as a thumbnail. After setting up your logo to your liking, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it. This ensures your new branding settings are recorded. Finally, you won't want to forget this crucial step. To make sure your new logo is visible to everyone using this Salesforce theme, head to the top right and click Activate. This button deploys your changes across the organization, embedding your new custom logo into the Salesforce experience. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you've successfully added your custom logo to Salesforce, giving your platform a personal touch. Remember, personalizing your Salesforce setup can make a big difference in how your team perceives and interacts with the system, providing a more branded and coherent user experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tutorials.